Vaccines are being rolled out for the general public and registrations began on March 1st on the CoWIN portal. Now, if you're a senior citizen or anyone who's above the age of 45 and has comorbidities, you can sign up for an appointment to get the vaccine shot. But there's been a lot of confusion over where one can register. The Union government has clarified that the CoWIN website is the only place for registration for people, whereas the CoWIN app is only for administrators. You can only sign up through the portal or website, and it is not possible to register through the app. Log on to this website. Then enter your mobile number and click on Get OTP. The website will then send you a one-time password via SMS. Once you receive it, enter the OTP and then click Verify. After this, you will be redirected to the registration page. Here you will have to fill in your personal details such as your ID proof, gender and year of birth. Remember to take the same ID proof that you've entered to the vaccination center. For example, if you've entered your driving license details, then remember to take your driving license to the vaccination center. If you're above the age of 45, you need to select the relevant comorbidities and also take a medical certificate of the same to the vaccination center. Once you've entered the details, click on the register button, which is at the bottom right of the page. Next up is account details. Here you can add up to 3 members who will be linked to your mobile number. To add people, click on Add More. Your name will now be registered on the portal and you can now schedule an appointment. Click on the calendar icon or click on Schedule Appointment. After this, you can search for the vaccination center that is nearest to you. From the drop-down menu, select your location by filling in your state, district, block and PIN code details. Once you've entered the details, then click on Search. When you click on Search, the website will display a list of vaccination centers as per your selection criteria. If you don't find a vaccination center as per your criteria, then change your PIN code or the block. Once you select vaccination center, then click on it and you will get the next available appointment slot. Both the time and the date of these details will be available. Once you select the appointment, it will then redirect you to a confirmation page which will have details about your appointment. It is ideal that you call up the hospital to confirm your appointment once it's been fixed. Once your appointment has been fixed, you can reschedule it to any other day, but you have to do this one day before the day of your vaccination. For this, log on to the Citizen Registration module with your registered mobile number and click on Reschedule. Once you get the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, a follow-up appointment will be automatically scheduled for the second dose at the same center. The appointment will be for 28 days later. If you've relocated, then you can reschedule your appointment to a center that's closest to you in that city. This is Anna Isaac signing off for the News Minute.